Hey guys, let me ask you something. Why does mom's slipper hurts more than a flying notebook, even when it weighs less? The answer is pressure, not the exam pressure, but the physics wala pressure. Okay, in today's video, I'm going to explain pressure. Again, not the exam pressure, the physics pressure. So, the force acting normally per unit area is known as pressure. Simply, we can define we can define it as pressure is the amount of force applied over a certain area. By the way, in simple terms, we can say more force plus less area is equal to more pressure, where less force plus more area is equal to less pressure. Wait, what? Less area is equal to more pressure, but how? Okay, that comes now. So we all know, I think we all don't know, the formula of pressure is force upon area. I mean, the formula of pressure is force upon area. P is equal to F upon A. That's it. Small formula, but a big drama. By the formula, we can see yes, pressure is directly proportional to force, which means if the force increase, the pressure also increase. But in the same formula, we can see the pressure is indirectly or inversely proportional to area, which means if the area decreases, the pressure increases, but if the area increases, the pressure decreases. Ever stepped on these things? It's painful, right? It's not pain, that's physics revenge. Okay, in this in this whole diagram, what I want to explain is I think this is the last one. What I want to explain is the one is unit. Okay, we know force in this diagram. I told pressure equals force upon area, right? And what's the unit of force? Newton. And what's the unit of area? Meter per second. So if we combine both unit, it becomes Newton per meter square or Pascal. Okay, I think in my personal opinion, it is named after a guy who probably stepped on a Lego too. Ouch, that's painful. Okay, from this diagram, let's see. Okay, like the top of the Lego or the tip of the Lego is small in size, right? Small in area. So when we step on it, it exerts more pressure rather than on the pillow, which has more area. So if we step on the pillow, we don't feel anything, but if we step on a Lego, we feel pain or physics revenge. So it's not because it is Lego, it's because the tip of the Lego is small in area, so it exerts more pressure. So guys, it's for the recap time. In this video, you learned pressure equals force upon area. The definition of pressure: the smaller area equals more pressure and the bigger area equals less pressure. And pressure is proportional to force and inversely proportional to area. And its unit is Newton per meter square and Pascal. Some real life examples are your mother's slipper, Legos, camels and knives. Camels and knives? Yes. We can see camel have thick and big legs, which means I have already told the area is inversely proportional. So more bigger the leg, the less pressure is exerts. So it helps camel to walk on a sandy desert. And same goes for knife. Knife has very thin area to cut, right? So The thinner the area, the more the pressure knife exerts. So these are the real life example. And like, subscribe and share with your friends who still thinks slipper hurts emotionally. No brother, it's physics. Thank you. This is it for today. And what should I do next? Please write it in the comments and suggest what I can do next, what I can make next, what topic I can make next video. And thank you for listening to this video. Gotcha. Bye bye.